consider the Hilbert space L square is equal to x1 x2 dot 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 xi belongs to C for all I and I equals to 1 to infinity mod of xi whole square less than infinity with the inner product x1 x2 and y1 y2 dot 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 up to equals to I equals to 1 to infinity xi yi bar. Define T such that L square to L square by T x1 x2 is equal to this. Then T is neither self-adjoint nor unitary, both self-adjoint and unitary but not adjoint, self-adjoint not unitary. So friends, this question is very important. This question is based on Hilbert space. So consider the Hilbert space, Hilbert space L square is equal to x1 x2 up to this, and xi belongs to C for all I and summation I equals to 1 to infinity mod of xi whole square less than infinity. This is my Hilbert space. Now it is the with the inner product space. Now I have to check it is self-adjoint or unitary. This portion I have to check self-adjoint or unitary. So what is the definition of the self-adjoint of the self-adjoint? Self-adjoint means alpha T alpha and alpha T alpha is equal to T alpha comma alpha. This is the definition of the self-adjoint. Okay, self-adjoint. So I have to check this that this condition it is hold or not. So alpha is equal to here alpha is equal to x1 comma x2 comma dot up to this. This is the alpha, and T alpha, and another factor whatever I have to check this is the self-adjoint or not. This is the definition of the self-adjoint. Here alpha is equal to this. So inner product formula, whatever is given, this formula is given. This is the summation, this is the x1 comma x2 notation is bracket comma up to this, and y1 y2 up to yn. So I have to test this formula. Okay, this formula I have to test. So if it will multiply, then whatever I can get I equals to 1 to infinity xi yi bar. Now I have to check. So now whatever is given T x1, problem is very easy. This is equal to x1 x2 by 2 and x3 by 3 up to dot 2. So whatever I have to do, I have to check this formula. So y1 in here tx1 y1. So x1 comma x2 comma up to this and t x1, sorry, this is not x1 comma x2 comma dot up to this is equal to x1 bar x2 by 2 x2 bar plus up to x3 by 3 by x3 bar plus dot up to. And another factor I will similarly I will test, I will check. This means x1 whole square plus x2 whole square and plus x3 whole square by 3 plus dot dot up to. Another I have to check t x1 x2 up to this and x1 x2 up to this. Then whatever I will get same value, x1 square x2 square by 2 plus x3 square by 3 up to this. So friends, whatever I get that these are two are equal. So x1 comma x2 comma dot dot up to t x1 comma x2 comma this and equals to x1 comma t x1 comma x2 comma dot dot up to x1 comma x2 comma dot dot up to this. So this is my this property hold, that's proof that it is self adjoint. Now I have to show that it is unitary or not. This is unitary or not. Unitary means now I have to check that t x1 comma x2 dot dot up to this and t y1 y2 dot dot this, and after that whatever I get x1 and y1 bar and x2 y2 bar by 4 plus x3 y3 bar by 4 up to infinity. It is not unitary. It is not unitary. So friends, whatever I get my answer is D, self adjoint and not unitary. Thank you.